The all-new 2025 Mazda RX-9 has better speed and more comfort for the driver. When it comes to Japanese car companies, Mazda is one of the best. People know the name for its creative designs and one-of-a-kind items. The most interesting part of the story is about the RX series, which is the best example of what a rotary engine can do. Fans are still very excited for the next movie, though, since the RX-8 is no longer being made. We're going to look at the much-anticipated Mazda RX-9 today. The RX-9, which came out after the highly expected RX-8, is very interesting and appealing. It's the second Mazda concept car after the RX Vision Tokyo Motor Show. Since then, there has been a lot of talk about what Mazda's next strategy move will be. The powertrain specs of Mazda's highly anticipated RX-9 are still a secret. Almost certainly a Skyactiv family engine, a turbocharged inline-6 engine is slowly coming to the surface. This huge engine, which is said to make 350 to 400 horsepower, could make the RX-9 a tough opponent for cars like the Toyota Supra. Some Mazda fans might be let down if the company chooses to stop using the common rotary engine. When you think about the problems with rotor engines, like how inefficient, unreliable, and bad for the environment they are, the pros of being small and light become clearer. According to rumors about the RX-9, Mazda's unique rotary engine might make a return, even though gasoline engines are more popular right now. The stunning GR GT3 concepts from Mazda and Toyota are set to share the spotlight. This could mean the start of an exciting new era in road cars with racing-inspired designs. Happy to see you on the Car Channel. If you want to know about new information about cool cars, please subscribe and click the bell button.